plastic toy tin. The actual pin, the pin that holds the pin, will fall off soon. And thus my parrot, if I wear it, which I will, on my lapel, I'll look down and it'll be gone. Let it be found by a child, or someone sad lies on the sidewalk, or what a prize it would be for a pack rat's nest. My parrot's page is vivid, his head's red, bright yellow, breast and belly, a strip of green, then purple, a soft creamy purple, then bright, you know the color, parrot green wing feathers. Tomorrow I think I'll wear it on my blue coat. Tonight someone whom I love sleeps in the next room next to the room with the black tablecloth, the salt shaker, the parrot pin. She was very sleepy and less impressed than I with my parrot, with whom, with